Good morning, children. Today we have a study about work and energy. This is the seventh chapter of your book. Here, the 5 figure is given, in which you have to know about in which figure the push is applied or pull is applied, and in which figure both push and pull is applied. First, opening a drawer. What can we do for opening the drawer? We should pull the drawer. Again, second picture, playing a piano. What can you do for playing a piano? We can push the key which are present in the piano. Third is moving a trolley bag. Then what can we do to move the trolley bag? We can pull the trolley bag, then the bag can be moved. Fourth picture, how you should taking out the bucket from the wall by pulling, and here both pull and push will applied, because when we pull the when first we pull the bucket and first we put the bucket in the well for it will be pushed, and then we will पहले कुएं में हम लोग बाल्टीन डालेंगे, फिर उस बाल्टीन को खींचेंगे. तो बोथ पुल एंड पुल इज अप्लाइड. Then working on the keyboard. Again what can we do working on the keyboard? We push the keyboard, then the keyboard will be work. In daily life we do different type of activity. For example, opening a door, hitting a ball, pushing a cart, etc. All these action involve different type of force acting on them. Now, what is force? Force and work. What is force? Push or pull acting on an object is called force. किसी को अपने से दूर करना या किसी को अपनी ओर खींचना फोर्स कहलाता है. इट मीन्स फोर्स मीन्स किसी को अपनों से दूर करना या अपनी ओर बुलाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in a football match, ball is pushed as a player kick the ball. Similarly, when we take out the bucket full of water of a wall, we pull the bucket. Now, what can force do? Force can push or pull applied on an object. It can move a stationary object or it can stop the moving object. मतलब ये कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट में है, जब हम उस पर फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो मूव करने लगेगा, और चलते अगर हम फोर्स अप्लाइड करेंगे तो चलते हुए ऑब्जेक्ट को भी रोक सकता है. Then what thing force can do? It can change the speed and the direction of a moving object. Force जो है स्पीड और ऑब्जेक्ट के डायरेक्शन को चेंज कर सकता है. Third, it can also change the shape of an object. In first figure, before applying a force, the car is in normal shape. But in second picture, when the stone is fall on the car, the shape of the car is changed. So, what can force do? The force can make the stationary object move, or it can stop a moving object. Second, force can change the direction of moving object. Force can change the shape and size of object. Force can also force can also change the direction of force can also change the direction and object. Now, however, we cannot make a thing move. Force cannot always make a thing move. फोर्स हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करने में ही मदद नहीं करता. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू अप्लाई ए फोर्स ऑन ए वॉल टू पुश अ वॉल, the wall will not move. This is when the concept of work come into the picture. When a force is applied on an object resulting in the movement of an object, then what can we say? The work is said to be done. As for example, children, you are sitting in the class. When you are sitting in the class and you sitting whole day in your class, and when you go and ask your mama that today I am really very tired, mama, because whole day I am sitting in the class. What the science said, that you do nothing because you do not change your place from in the class, or you do not move in the class. It means that work is said to be done when object move from its place. When force applied on an object and it moved from its place, then it's said that the work has been done. But if you do running whole day in a home and you ask your mama, what your mama asks, that child, you do nothing today, you do nothing today, you study nothing. But science say no, this child had do lots of work today, because when the force is applied, it changes its place from one place to another. क्योंकि वो बच्चा दिन भर घर में दौड़ता रहा एक जगह से दूसरे जगह, तो साइंस बोला आज तो बच्चा बहुत काम कर लिया। मम्मा क्या बोली, तुम कुछ नहीं किए, ना कुछ पढ़ाई किए ना कुछ काम किए। When we use a force on an object moves through a distance in the direction of force applied, we say that the work is said to be done. Scientifically speaking, the work is done if the object do not move. However, stronger force may be applied. So in example above, when someone pushes a wall, he or she applied the force, but work is not done. Another example where work is not done is a child holding a pile of books. I have given you a very interesting example. I hope you understand it. Now the new force is discovered by Isaac Newton, and how can we calculate the work? We can calculate the work force into distance. How much force applied on an object and how much distance it displaced from there. Then the work can be calculated. Here you do the checkpoint given in page number 72. Read the statement given below and put a tick against the one where work is done and cross against the rest. Here in first case, the Raju kicked the football out and goal was scored. Is the work is done? Yes, here the work is done because Raju applied a force on the football and the goal was scored. In second case, Raju kicked a heavy stone but does not move. In second case, the work is done? No, it is not done. So you put a cross. In third, Jenny is standing at the bus stop holding a bag. Again, Jenny do nothing. It only standing in the bus stop. So no work is done. So you put a cross. Sunita coming down the slide. Here the work is done because it displaced from their position. It moved from their position. So you put a tick mark, correct mark. Fifth, Mahak is pushing a ball, and if Mahak is pushing a ball, the force is applied but no work is done. So you put a cross mark. Now you read lesson force and work, page number 72, and if you have any confusion, ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.